Hey my friend, fellow trader, it's Will here over at the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. And we're at that time again, start of the trading week. And as always, this is your free trade setup for the week ahead. And before we get into the actual trade setup, if you're new to my YouTube channel and you want to stay up to date with all our latest trading educational videos and most importantly our weekly free trade alerts, you can simply hit the subscribe button now. You can also join our Facebook group, the FX Ace Professional Forex Signal Educational Group. You can just there's a link below in the description area of the video. You can head over and request to join the group. Okay, so we had a fantastic week last week. Some clients made as much as 1,000 pips with their signals last week, and it's been an excellent start to 2020. So last week's free trade was on the British pound Kiwi, and it was a cracker. From the open of the market last week, it dropped and went straight there, take profit, profiting over 300 pips. Okay, so that was a great trade last week. This week trade we're looking at is on the Euro USD. Okay, so you can see the market's down into this kind of weekly area again. That's been holding for quite some time. Okay, could break through this soon enough and go down to the lower levels, but I am during this week here, I'm expecting a short-term rally lasting anywhere to 2 to 5 days. Okay, so it's coming down into this daily area here. Okay, that caused this move up here. Okay, there's quite a bit of demand at this area. Okay, so this is an area I'm looking to trade at, and market has been dropping pretty steeply the past week. Okay, after reacting at this area here. Okay, and if you look at the kind of structure of the market here, we are moving sideways, kind of an accumulation pattern after this downtrend here on the daily chart, and then it's just been moving sideways. So this is looking likely you get a reaction around here next week, early next week, and a move back up. Okay, as always, trade with caution, control your risk, and stay disciplined. So the trade setup this week is we're just going to get into this trade more or less from the open. Okay, and I'm just going to text here. Okay, so it's buy, buy Euro USD at 1094. Stop loss. Okay, we want to put our stop loss underneath the zone. Okay, so I'm just going to go do like an 80 pip stop loss. Okay, so stop loss is at 1086. Okay, that's well underneath that zone, 20 pips. Take profit will be, okay, well, at least a 2-to-1 take profit, opposing zone. So maybe this one here, this one's been tested, so if the market does react, it's likely to go up higher to the next level. So we'll say around 1.115. Okay, and that's the trade setup. So pause the screen now. That's the trade up. Buy Euro USD at 1094. Stop loss at 1086, and take profit at 1115. Okay, so we'll stop it. Pretty simple setup. We do have a total of nearly 20 other setups this week. If you want to access them, you can simply click the subscribe button now. Our signals, we do guarantee that you'll make a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days, or we'll simply refund you the subscription fee. We're probably the only service out there that guarantees you'll make money with our signal service, because we are professional traders and what we do works week in, week out. And if you're already in the service, you already know that. If you're in the Facebook group, you can actually see the results our clients are getting. Okay, you can see the reviews they're putting in. People making their first money after years of trading Forex. Endless amount of reviews in the Facebook group, people posting the results. Yeah, what we do works. week in, week out. We're consistent. And if you want to finally make side income trading Forex, simply hit the subscribe button now. If you have any questions, let me know at will@xauuusd.com. And have a great trading week. Hope this trade works out for you. And let me know in the comments section below how you get on and how you get on with last week's trade setup. So have a fantastic week. Hit subscribe now, and I shall speak to you during the week. Will over to xauuusd.com.